Hello friends, today we are preparing
Hello friends.
seafood recipe. Some more ginger garlic paste we are mixing with this. Up to your requirement you can mix ginger garlic paste and seafood recipe. Wow. The initial stage is looking right delicious. We can see while we are preparing this recipe. Seafood, wow. Just we have put some oil and ginger garlic paste and spices and little bit salt on it. Wow. You have to stir it 2 more times. It's a non-sticky pan. Yes, this is very good. Yeah, we have prepared this vegetable also.
One more.
Yeah, one more vegetable we have.
Yes.
Okay. Which one?
See.
Okay. Bottle gourd and capsicum.
No, it's not that.
Oh, it's a beans recipe.
Yes.
It's
Beans
bean
recipe.
recipe. Wow. Green vegetables are very nutritious.
Yes.
They're good for health.
This is ready.
Yeah, this is the recipe. Ready. This
Ready.
this seafood recipe is ready.
Yes. A spoon.
A spoon, yeah. Nice. Very tasty. Just a minute. Now getting ready to eat. You can see this is pan-fried belt recipe. It's pan-fried belt recipe. It's a nice seafood. And it's very delicious and very nutritious, having the nutritional value. Omega 369 fatty acids, and this is very healthy rice for cognitive function. Wow. Here we are. Very delicious. Wow. Pan fried recipe, seafood recipe is very delicious, and my wife has prepared it very well. Wow. Awesome. Very delicious. I feel like I'm sitting in the restaurant as always. restaurant like feel in home. It's such a delicious recipe. Mm. Okay, my friends, hope you like this belt fried pan recipe. Belt fried pan recipe is very delicious, and I hope you like this recipe made by my wife, and she's a nice chef for me, and we both are enjoying the dishes and preparing dishes together. Okay, like, share and subscribe my channel. Goodbye. See you next time with a new recipe. Bye bye.